Simply don't want to give away the Odin.
Too good, too good.
Kills के पीछे मत भागो भाई. 13 राउंड विन के पीछे.
वाह 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 वाह. I will reiterate what Pratik just said. I mean, a woman. Kills के पीछे मत भागो.
Omen.
Revealing area.
Pratik's kills are more than Pratik's first time.
He always has more kills. And in the end, I don't know what happens to him.
Deploying drone.
Simply, don't give out. Oh,
In the end, he
nice.
gets also cheated or
Sing a
something.
drone.
Simply, I play. Don't trade. Don't trade. किधर है Pratik? Pratik किधर है?
Oh boy.
You just killed 2 people.
1v2.
Pratik.
One enemy remaining.
आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा. कहाँ है रे तो?
Flawless.
Revealing area.
Shooting for.
Who said this?
True, true. This guy knows what he's doing at Deadlock. Too good he's playing.
We have money for off now.
Even this guy has money. Racket Mart. Good. What shots, Ray?
Yeah, good. All are same ping as mine. As us. In the deadlocks 32-28 and they have ping
32?
Revealing area.
Oh,
Why?
in front of garage.
What is this guy doing? He's baiting them or what?
Baiting.
Ah, wait, he's gone there. Should I go in? Oh, wait, there's someone here.
Flash dude.
See.
One down. Unavoidable.
At seaside. It's...
अबे विंडो से मारा भाई मेरे को. मार्क.
One enemy remaining.
Spike is there.
Window side. Pratik.
Behind you.
Last player
Playing from
standing.
window.
I said
Garage.
Yeah, garage.
30 seconds left.
I think we should go fast, dude. The spike is taken.
Slow.
He's saying slow, I'm saying fast. Kids Allah.
He's
Then see.
This goes through.
COB.
Spike planted.
See.
See.
My mouse battery ran out.
Wah.
Pogo, he's slow.
So you're playing on trackpad?
Kanta. He can't move that. Look. Right.
Shillong. Bomb side, Shillong. Oh,
Dude.
what the fuck?
Dude.
What the fuck, man?
It's fine. It's pro. No, he can't look it. His mouse battery went. His mouse battery died.
What 500 ping?
I don't know.
कितने?
Pratik's ping is 500, dude.
हाँ, that's why he said that.
Oh, shit.
प्रतीक क्या कर रहा है?
Pratik's
What
ping-
I did, what I had done. I don't know. For me, just Phoenix was jumping in front of me.
Your ping is
I
500.
didn't- The ping went high. So.
Yeah, it's
Revealing
fighting
area.
well. That Phoenix had such good opportunity to take me.
Let it even reach, Ray. What people, Ray? These people are. I got smoke in the middle.
They're throwing Cypher cages over here.
There's smoke here.
B, Karthik B1 guys.
Someone is here.
Sorry, B window. How the jet came? Ray?
Shot down.
Last player standing.
Oh, come on, man.
Wait,
Seriously.
Are how?
Are nice. Right, change the gun. Change the gun.
Retake the Odin Ray.
Abe, who?
Left ray, left ray. What?
He's hiding left side.
वाह कैसा आदमी रहेगा ये
Spike planted.
मैं लो
He's in the fire.
die in the fire also oh shoot through that we can shoot through it goes
One enemy remaining.
The jet is literally on the left side. Ghost stories.
oh
He had a scope. Yeah, nice try.
no problem you should take another gun right
Last round before the switch.
Left.
Last round they have so fast? Oh, it's 9-2. I didn't even realize.
just four more
Some
wins
5 or something. 5 or something. Score.
Anybody wants anything? Op or anything?
no
Nothing.
nah we'll give when the round is ending
I have to save money, रे भाई. Mutual funds.
Please hold on.
बहुत घटिया जोक मारा है तुमने
Revealing area.
look they're not even waiting for you to reach also
I have to make this map smaller. I can't see the other side of it.
He's breaking my jump.
I'm just waiting with the operator
Gone.
Oh, Karthik. So close range shot.
अबे
He got a headshot.
अरे no that's the waiting with the operator
B.
window
B.
I know exactly where you are.
cypher move
Planting, they're planting.
Spike planted.
that was bad mid अरे go रे mid
One enemy remaining.
what the hell
Look at this one.
the race yours
Look at this one.
oh my god
Player
अरे
standing.
वाह.
you made a
What?
fool of yourself
I shot it from the behind, dude. I was trying to do nothing.
अरे it would have been an
Damn
epic
it, I missed.
nice try sexy
I missed.
all
Switching sides.
you should have started stabbing him before he finished that thing
He suddenly appeared on my screen. I didn't know which side he was. He was like awkward position. He was on the step. That's it.
he would have
You should
died
have stood behind him or sideways.
I didn't know which side his body was facing, right? Because it's only one orb thing.
Yeah, that is also.
true
Because from behind, one shot of that knife.
I could have just put a nade mark. You could have just put a nade and gone for.
I didn't know yeah with that grenade thing he could have just kept that grenade thing on his body
Take out their healer.
Yeah.
he comes back push move
Revealing area.
oh why I get headshotted every time what did he say
That's it.
what was that behind I look behind also oh my god
What is
अरे
this guy flashing, dude?
nice
He died in the fire. He died in the fire.
One enemy remaining.
oh my god
अरे बाप. Fold.
Rez is so good, dude. Rez is so good.
nice one lol
My ping is 50.
LMAO what
630 ping. 170.
no
130.
asking Mary what happened
Yeah.
it's too bad like
They need to get servers here. India is also big. They don't understand how big market India is for their
Yeah.
games.
any game no
PUBG became so big over there. And they
Yeah.
put-
PUBG and all. They didn't make Indian servers separate for.
I don't know
Revealing
they
area.
should see Murray if it is going to work or not
Indian servers are coming by end of July or starting of August.
You are sure?
Because,
Now?
starting of August, new patches coming. Starting of August, new patches coming.
This year?
Yeah. Obviously, it's fast.
Yeah, but who told you about the servers?
It's too early, man.
Yeah, Valorant has a channel. That lady spoke, the main person.
What she said, Asia or India, she said.
This is India specifically. India.
That's
Good,
nice.
Mare. Indian population so much.
This guy's already in it. We are going C, dude. Bomb is at
Go,
C side.
go.
Karthi, we can push back. Karthik, push back.
Too late.
Plan C.
Sorry, my bad.
Plan.
Plant Ray. But I think you should go, I think, Ray.
You guys sniper. You can get
What
that
the fuck?
sniper guy.
Pratik, you should go. Pratik, you should
Slow,
go.
slow.
Wait, this one hai.
Arey, happy Mare.
Arey, she
She
saw
knew you
me.
over here. That's why I said go. I cannot. I don't think I'm gonna come here from. I don't think.
What that Sage is doing? She
Many,
online.
many,
match.
many.
Garage.
Viper is coming from mid only, ma. From behind.
One enemy remaining.
DPS. Oh, nice.
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 I remember
Match
there was
point.
some song, Mare.
Usher them
Which song? I
towards
forgot that
their
song. Only.
eternal rest.
Kolaveri.
Colaveri.
Oh my god. I can't even believe that song actually was a thing in India.
India, dude. Any shit
I
works.
know what way that song became so big.
Oh my, this is cola.
It became very big.
What is it? Colaveri, this. What is this?
For them, Mare. अबे
There they are.
वाह कितना होशियार रहेंगे भाई लोग.
I
Who's
throw nade
who's
on that
running?
B side.
Someone running. अरे can't wait about it.
Enemy down.
Enemy
What the
down.
fuck?
Die, everybody die. We all died.
Mark, she's minus 102.
Where?
3 shots and she's done.
Garage.
Cypher shot.
One enemy remaining. Last player
Abe.
standing.
From right side. Huh?
Do not fight.
How we won, Ray? GG.
Attackers
He killed
win.
everyone. Damn.
So fast, dude. This game was.
Yeah, almost 30 minutes. Chalo, let's see. Deadlock expected.
I think the skip button, why it doesn't work for me?
Silver one, bros. Oh,
Silver one, you are.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
what are you saying, Pratik?
Minus
That
2.
skip button doesn't work only for me, it's bugged.
Hey,
For you all it works, if you all press skip, it gets skipped.
I don't skip it. I want to see my this thing, Mare.
I didn't know that MVP they show say MVP.
That's what I mean. I don't press.
That, just press once and see if